Hi, welcome back to UA code 127.0.0.1. Okay, today I'm going to show you a very simple CTF from TryHackMe platform. It's a itsy bitsy CTF. In this CTF, we will see how to perform investigation against an incident by using a free solution ELK, that is Elastic. Okay, so I already turned on the attacker machine. You should also turn on the target machine as well. To access this target machine, I'm just going to copy its IP address from here, move to the attacker machine browser. Okay, so this is the front look of Elastic solution. It's a free open source solution that you can actually utilize to perform log analysis, to monitoring the log, to perform analysis of the logs. Okay, the scenario that is present in second task is that during normal SOC monitoring, analyst John observed an alert on IDS solution. IDS mean to say Elastic solution, and there will be a communication C2 communication from a user Brownie from the HR department. A suspicious file was accessed containing a malicious pattern, that is this one. So we need to actually perform analysis of these logs, that are connection logs. Index in Kibana. Okay, if we go there, so these are the important tabs that are present in Elastic, like Discover, Dashboard, Visualization. Discover is the most important tab. When I click on it, you can see different options are present to me. So if we go here you can see index pattern, that are connection logs. These are the logs against which we need to perform the analysis. Here more than one index pattern could be present, but right now only one connection logs are present here. The first question is that how many events were written for the month of March 2022. Okay, we need to actually perform the analysis of these logs, and right now according to the question, I'm going to put a filter by using date filter option. Here you can see I'm going to click on absolute, and then I should select here the month March from 1st March, and the year is 2022. Okay, all set. When I click on update, let's see. Here you can see in the timeline you can see total 1482 hits are there in this time duration. So the answer of this question, total 1482 events are written during the month of March in 2022. The next question is that what is the IP associated with the suspected user in logs? Let's see. Here you can see different fields are present like ID, index, score, type, timestamp. You can put filter by using any of these fields. When I click on source IP, because the question is related to the IP, when I click on source IP, here you can see there are total only two IPs are present. One is this one and second one is this one. From the above you can see total 99.6% communication are there, but from the second one only 0.4% communication are there. So by using our common sense, we can actually consider that this IP is a malicious IP. A limited communication is actually coming from this IP. So the answer of this question is 192.168.65.54. The next question is that the user machine used a legit Windows binary to download a file from the C2 server. What is the name of binary? Okay, to download a binary, obviously the user will be used any user agent. So here you can see, if I scroll below, you can see user agent option is there. When I click on it, two user agents are present to me. One is Mozilla, it's a legitimate user agent. You can see total 99.6% actually happenings are coming from this browser, but below you can see a bit segment. This could be fishy. This is not a normal user agent. Okay, when I click on this option to actually put a filter against this user agent, you can see total two hits are present to me. So this is the malicious actually user agent. that will be used to download the file. So what is the name of binary? Bits admin, user agent, and the bits admin is the binary that will be downloaded from the C2 malicious server. The next question is that the infected machine connected with a famous file sharing site in this period, which also act as a C2 server used by malware authors to communicate. What is the name of file sharing site? Okay, here you can see the details against this IP address that is actually malicious. Destination IP, malicious IP will be communicate with this destination IP on the port 80. Here you can find this is the website on which actually C2 server is hosted, pastebin.com. So the answer of this question is pastebin.com. It's a file sharing site. The next question is that what is the full URL of the C2 to which the infected host is connected? Okay, so I'm going to copy it from here, open a new tab, and further if you can see here, request body length, source IP is this one, this is the infected host, and then here you can see in URI this one is present. I'm going to copy it from here. Let's see if we browse this. I'm going to remove the space and press enter. Okay, let's see. I'm going to copy it from here, paste it. So this is the whole URL from which actually the file will be downloaded. You can find the complete URI here. So the answer of this question is pastebin.com / this one. The next question is that a file was accessed to the file sharing site. Okay, what is the name of file accessed? If we go there, when you actually browse the whole URL, here you can find a file that is a text file with the name of secret. So the file is secret.txt. So the answer of this question is secret.txt. The next question is that the file contains a secret code with the format this one. Okay, here you can find the secret code that is actually a flag. Try hack me secret _ code. So the answer of this question is this one. So guys, this is all about this CTF. It's a very simple and interesting CTF. Definitely you will go through about this to actually enhance your skill. Thanks for watching.